How to log into Messenger for the first time. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log into Messenger for the first time. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open Facebook on your device. You will see this messenger icon at the top right corner. Once you have logged into your Facebook account, you can simply tap on this messenger icon right here and you will be logged into Messenger automatically. This is the way you can log into Messenger for the first time. You can also log out from the messenger. Let me switch it for once. Okay, once you switch it, you can see log into another account. Tap on it. And here you can enter your email and password and tap on login. Then you'll be logged into Messenger just like this. That's it. This is how you log into Messenger for the first time. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.